Okay, good day everyone. Now next na pag-uusapan natin is your nephritic syndrome or also known as your glomerulonephritis. Okay. What causes your nephritic syndrome? It is caused by inflammation of your glomerulus. Okay? So ibig sabihin may inflammation yung glomerulus natin. Now, what are the modifiable risk factors? Okay, number one dyan, infection. Remember that kapag merong infection, meron siyang inflammation. And then we have your uncontrolled hypertension. Because of your uncontrolled hypertension, masyadong mataas yung pressure sa mga arterioles ninyo. Diba? Sa mga maliliit na arteries ninyo, pwede bang ma-damage, okay? Yung mga organs and even yung mga ibang blood vessels, okay? Sa loob ng kidneys, yes, okay? So, uncontrolled hypertension can cause your what? Your glomerulonephritis. And we also have your autoimmune disorders such as your SLE or your systemic lupus erythematosus. Okay, so what happened is that your antibodies, okay, yung mga antibodies na pinoproduce ng katawan nyo, they are destroying, okay, your glomerulus inside of your kidney. Okay, and then some medications, okay, such as your pain medications, yung mga antibiotics natin and even your anti-neoplastic medication, okay, yung mga anti-cancer natin. Now, what are your non-modifiable? We have your age. Mas prone ang men magkaroon ng glomerulonephritis because of lifestyle, 'di ba? Yung mga ginagawa nila, okay, protein intake, it could destroy your kidney, masyadong mataas na protein intake, and alcoholism, okay, genetics, and your family history. Okay, now, what happened in your glomerulonephritis is that nagkakaroon ng triggering event because of your modifiable and non-modifiable risk factor. Now, the immune complex formation, okay, this immune complex formation or deposition dun sa may kidney ninyo, what happened is that nagkakaroon ng IgG and your IgG and IgA deposition dun sa may mismong glomerulus ninyo. Okay? So, what happened if nagkaroon ngayon ng formation or deposition ng immune complex sa loob ng glomerulus ninyo? Nagkakaroon ng glomerular inflammation. Okay? Now, pag nagkaroon ng glomerular inflammation, may inflammation, okay, nagkakaroon ng disruption saan? Sa glomerular capillary walls ninyo. So, pag nagkaroon ng disruption doon sa may glomerular capillary walls ninyo, pwede magkaroon ng leakage ng blood causing your hematuria. Okay, and at the same time, pwede rin magkaroon ng leakage of your protein causing your proteinuria. Okay, and then because of the disruption in the glomerular capillary, pwedeng masira, okay, it could now lead to the decreased GFR. Pag sinabi natin decreased GFR, decrease na yung glomerular filtration rate mo. Okay, so ibig sabihin hindi maganda kapag nag-decrease yung glomerular filtration rate mo kasi hindi na siya nakakapag-filter ng maayos. Okay, so if nagkaroon ng decrease, okay, ng GFR ninyo or your glomerular filtration rate, okay, it could cause your oliguria, okay, na pwedeng mag-cause ng fluid retention ninyo. Okay, bakit nagkakaroon ng oliguria at fluid retention kapag may decreased GFR? Pag decrease kasing GFR ninyo, ibig sabihin hindi na siya nakakapag-filter ng maayos. Okay? So now, pag hindi nakapag-filter ng maayos yung glomerulus ninyo, okay, so what happened is that kokonti lang yung makukuha niyang tubig, okay? Kokonti lang yung mafo-form niya na urine, okay? Causing your oliguria. So, pag kokonti yung na-filter niya na blood ninyo, okay? So, ibig bang sabihin, magi-stay ba yung other fluids, okay, sa loob ng katawan? Yes, okay? Now, it causes your fluid retention, okay? So, pag nagkaroon kasi ng oliguria, okay, mararamdaman niya ng kidney ninyo. So, pag naramdaman ng kidney ninyo na hindi enough, okay, yung na-filter niya, what happen is that pwedeng ma-activate yung RAAS ninyo. Ano yung RAAS ninyo? It's your renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Okay, pag na-activate yung inyong RAAS, okay, nagkakaroon ng Sodium and water retention, causing your hypertension and your edema. Okay? Again, pag nagkaroon ng activation ng RAAS ninyo, ano yung RAAS ulit? Your renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Okay? Now, pag na-activate yung RAAS ninyo, it could cause your sodium and water retention. Now, causing your hypertension and your edema. Okay? So, that is your glomerulonephritis.